The itinerary builder allows you to build multi-city itineraries, stopovers, and to change your flight times prior to ending the record. There are two ways to get started with Itinerary Builder. The first way is to simply click the link Itinerary Builder, which brings you over to this blank worksheet. Here you can put in your city pairs and dates, such as Minneapolis to Chicago. Put in a date, select a carrier, and click Search. This will bring back available flights that operate that schedule, and you simply scroll down, look for one that looks attractive, click the Add Flight button, and it will drop it right into current itinerary. You can go through and build your entire itinerary this way, then select the number of people, click Price, and it will price it for you. The difficulty with this is that you do need to understand contracts and airline partnerships in order to get a good price. Because if you're mixing airlines that don't work together, you're going to get a very high price, or if you're doing something that breaks the rules of our contracts, you'll get a high price that way too. Another way to use the Itinerary Builder tool without having to have so much head knowledge about contracts is to go back to searching fares on the front page. Put in a shell of your itinerary. So let's say you want to do a Minneapolis Vienna with a stopover in Frankfurt. You can just type in Minneapolis Vienna, put in your dates of travel, let's say 13 October, 27 October. Now you really want to stop over along the way in Frankfurt, but start with a basic shell like this. Click Search. Let the booking engine find a good fare to that route. Search for an itinerary that's routing through Frankfurt already, and then we'll use the Itinerary Builder to tweak that or to modify it slightly to add a stopover. So what we're looking for is an edit link right in the orange here. It won't always appear. Some of the itineraries won't have that, but you would scroll down looking for one that has it, and with a routing through the city that you want to stop in. This one's going through Munich, so that's not going to be appropriate. Scroll down, we've got Munich there. This one is on United, rolling through Frankfurt both, and then London on the return. So let's go ahead and grab this one. You click the edit link, and what this does is pulls that entire itinerary into the Itinerary Builder. So you can see in current itinerary we have that flight schedule. Now you can use the buttons to modify this slightly. So here's a Frankfurt-Vienna flight. We'll remove that by clicking the button, and then go over to our Itinerary Builder, pop in our city pairs. Let's go to Vienna on, let's say, the 16th of October. You do want to stay with the same airline. Of course, in this case, be aware that even though it's coded United, watch for the operated by. Operated by United, operated by Lufthansa, return operated by Austrian Airlines. And in this case, the Frankfurt-Vienna flight is going to be operated by Lufthansa, so we'll actually ask for that airline before we search. Okay, so it keeps the current itinerary, and down below we'll see some available flights on Lufthansa. Find one you like, click Add Flight, go up and click the number of passengers traveling. Notice it dropped that flight right in the order where it's supposed to be. Click Price. It will price it two ways, once as a private fare and once as a published fare. As a private fare we're getting $12.82, published fare we're getting $13.20. So we simply click the Confirm button by that price and put in the passenger information, last name, etc., and click Book, and we're done.